Ni kedai bati CTV. Bat pidang pet yaki kubor paman kesni. Balawan rasya pidang Modrina Auto Enterprises Maulanong Kwar TSS Road Shillong. Ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho Shillong. Wan bantiet yaka kali Datsun ready go batamai. Kabas kem bat biddor.
Myntri ke Sorkar Jila uba lakmen remboy. Uba pe ikatnat kampo iyeng. Ula Pynrem jor Halor ke jing tikhat jubor jongki persatrai. Ya ke jing jong mamatrai jongki uba Mores Marngar. Halor ke jing Kynnoh baudai budon keti ban le snio. Yala ke jong ke persa ke belajar ke senong nong disong ke badan West Khas Hills District. Uba lakmen habai keren bagi lapatai kubor lo kentui ki pai panong senong. Jong ke jela bakem dai ban chunget bet ki jing po snio bat ki Jingshah pentame. Hendai gede ban pentep ruk sykaan. Lada don kinu jing subas snio yano kenang ban lait ke jing do jong ke mensimbrio.
What happened in West Khas Hills recently, it is condemnable. It should not happen. I totally condemn this act of the people like that. And I take this opportunity once again that for anything we should not just believe. There is a law which will take care for the needs of the people. So if there is anything which people are suspicious of anything, they should report to the authority concerned, so that the honestly loss of human life should not be there. So let the law be the process of law taken care of in those type of case. So once again, I reiterate that I condemn this type of people lynching, this type of superstitious thing. I totally sympathize with the people, with the family of the person who died, who in these circumstances. So I appeal to the people that let us not take the law into our own hand, and but in this instant case, the law will take its own course, and whoever the perpetrator of this, some have been arrested, and if more, then will be. The process of law will duly do that. Yesterday they have arrested some person, and some few more they will arrest, because since the case is under investigation, whoever have hand in that, they will be arrested, and then after that, then the necessary charge sheet will be done after the process of inquiry. The government times and again requesting the people that they should not take the law into their own hand. So, but on this witchcraft, this superstitious thing is not a new thing. Just this year, we have seen the incident near this in this mountain rail site, and this week last week it happened in West Khas Hills site. So my appeal to the people is that we should not take the law into their own hand. They should report anything and everything to the police, so that necessary action could be seen. Because as of again, I must reiterate that now with the understanding of the people, it is not like before. Now we have seen it is very less, but sporadic incidents like this do happen. So I reiterate and request the people, all the village community and all, that we should understand, educated our own people, that we should prove what is the thing behind it, and if there is anything, they should report to the police and should not take the law into their own hand. Law is already in place if they assault the people. Law is already in place if they murder the people. Law is already in place. I don't think that it is necessary to come under law, because ultimately the IPC is already there, CRPC is already there to take care of all the crime which it is there. As I said before, compared to many years back, now the case is very less, though it is very sad that if this incident happened, it is a very sad thing for the family. But we from the government, I don't see there is a need to come up with this new law. The law which is there, it is already can take care of all the crime which is happening or which will have, let's hope not, Yes, the advisory is already in place because this is not a new thing which happened. It happened times and again. But sometimes I don't know why the people, in spite of knowing that the repercussion of anything which they do like that, still they are doing it. So I wish that this will be the last instant case, that I wish and that the people should not take the law into their own hand.